Hello, Internet, and welcome to this documentation of my lockpicking adventures. Here is a Brinks 4-pin padlock I've actually had for a while. And I didn't document this at the time because it turned out to be a colossal disappointment. I got it because it had a covered keyway, which I thought would be interesting trying to get around. But it just slides up and stays out of the way. And I didn't pick this open on the first attempt. And I came back at it a second time, it opened up fairly quickly. But what I'm going to do differently is I'm going to try to rake this open. I still consider my raking skills somewhat lackluster, so. Alright, snake is not doing it. Let's try the city. Felt like the city was doing less than this. Let's actually go in here and see if I manage to set anything. Looks like it's just one pin holding me up, so I've committed to raking this open. That's what we're gonna do. I think what is happening is the perfect example of why I don't tend to try and rake locks open. I've kind of moved on to locks that aren't easily raked. And, well, it's an odds game, and the odds never really seem to be in my favor. Let's give it another try. Oh, finally, there we go. So, there we have it. So as I said, I acquired this lock a while ago, kind of hoping for an interesting challenge with the covered keyway. That was a non-issue. And it ultimately turned out to just be another bog standard 4-pin lock with no frills that probably really isn't worth the extra expense to have this little plastic cover on it whatsoever. So, with that being said, subscribe if you like, and have a nice day.